Hello and good evening, traders. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal, and you're watching Nifty and Banknifty short-term view. I hope all of you are enjoying the early rains of our monsoon season. At least I'm enjoying that. And I guess every one of you would be surprised at how did Nifty shot up that much in one single day. Well, let me explain that by paying attention to the hourly time frame chart, especially in this particular zone. If we check properly, there is a horizontal support band over here, which is from 18,671 to 18,661, which is a very small support, but it has been working pretty nicely because if we check properly, not even one single candle has been able to close below it in the hourly time frame charts. One more thing apart from that is we had a lower low in price over here and we have a higher low in RSI, which is a positive divergence. Now, in addition to that, if you remember in the video which I shared on Saturday, I had also shared one more support band, which is over here. This is actually a trading gap which has not been filled. So actually Nifty spot took a help of this support band in combination with this support band, and we can see it maintained its stance on the upside. And then after opening gap up yesterday, there has been a rally. Even yesterday, if you check the candle which was made over here, if you check properly, the candle which was made over here is a small candle. And a small candle, when it is engulfed previously by a big red candle, is a bullish harami. But the problem over here in Nifty was that one day Nifty was going up, second day it was down, and again couple of days up, again couple of days down. Now this is the first time I can see that some sort of movement has come up on the upside, but it is not just the Nifty, but it is many sectoral indices which have been able to help Nifty. And the main index which has helped Nifty, according to me, is not just Bank Nifty, but especially private banks. Now, if you have been watching my educational videos on YouTube, I have been consistently maintaining my positive stance for private banking stocks, not in the daily, but in the weekly time frame chart, that overall the trend is up and they have been consolidating. They were almost ready for a move. It was only that when exactly that move comes up, and that happened to be today. Yes, apart from that, there have been few other indices, almost many indices which have helped Nifty to go higher. And I'm also going to share a couple of stocks with all of you today. So first thing is that now the trend is up in the hourly time frame charts, even in the daily time frame charts, which is a good sign. But the way Nifty has shot up today, it is a sort of a vertical rally in extreme short-term charts like 15-minute chart, and you can see the RSI is close to 76. So I will not be surprised if tomorrow market consolidates a bit or maybe dips a little bit. And after that consolidation is over, there is a probability that hopefully the rally should continue. And the next level to be tested on the upside could be 18,888 and 18,950. These are the two levels which can be tested on the upside. But we need to understand that the upside momentum which has been initiated today should continue for the next few days. In terms of Bank Nifty spot, yes, the trend is now up in the daily time frame chart, even in the hourly time frame chart. In Bank Nifty, this entire zone was, bisected, went down, price went up, again down, again up, multiple times. So actually what has happened is market was so choppy. Market was so choppy that many of the levels were actually disrespected many of the times, and there is no point talking about all that right now. What I can see, according to me, is there has been a very good trend line breakout in the RSI. First thing is that, and this is certainly a 90-degree move, a vertical move. So I will not be surprised at all if tomorrow we have a consolidation day, and probably after the consolidation is over, the next move, the next leg on the upside will be seen in Bank Nifty. Small consolidation for one day is probable, and the next level to be tested could be 44,290 or 43,000. Now, apart from that, the next levels are a little bit higher, probably somewhere around 44, 453. But again, we need to understand that the upside momentum which has been started today should continue in the next few days. If it just happens that there's an up move and suddenly drops down, then it will make no sense. All right. Please understand this with a pinch of salt. Now, there are two stocks which I want to share with all of you. The first one is a private banking stock, and that is Axis Bank. Axis Bank, according to me, the interesting part actually is in the hourly time frame chart. What has happened over here is, if I extend this entire move on the downside, this is a beautiful support. This is a 127.20% Fibonacci extension. And from there, there has been a bounce back. Now, this bounce back should have been actually just got over somewhere over here if you retrace this entire move. But the way Axis Bank has moved on the upside, it is really impressive. And there is a possibility that the stock will continue to move upside for the next few days. And swing traders especially should capitalize on this opportunity. One more stock from my side is JSW Steel. And if you remember, I had been speaking about the metal pack. That metal pack is a little bit overstretched and it can come down. And after it comes down, if it takes support from this zone, which I shared even in my weekly sectoral analysis, there it could start an up move. In the daily time frame chart, you will not notice that much, according to me. The trend is very flat. Nothing is looking that interesting. But if I switch to the hourly time frame chart, and if I go to the JSW Steel stock, there is a lot to understand over here. This is an uptrend. Stock tries to retrace, and as soon as it goes below this level, it tries to extend itself on the downside. But what happens over here is a false breakdown. If you check this particular candle, I'll highlight it with a red arrow. If you check this candle, it has been able to close below the Fibonacci retracement, and immediately in the next candle, pullback starts. And the pullback is not just that it closes above the support, but the price takes that particular pullback much higher. And currently, the way the stock is trading, it can result into a very good swing trade. Only thing is, there is some sort of resistance at 765. So I guess once it starts sustaining above 765, there is a decent possibility that the stock will continue on the upside. And again, it should be treated as a swing trade, nothing less, nothing more. All right. So summing it up all, it seems that some positive momentum in Nifty has started. And as a trader, I would like to concentrate not on extreme high positional trades, but I would try to limit myself in short term or swing trades, taking into consideration that today's move has been a lot. Probably tomorrow can be a consolidation day. And after that, if the momentum continues, we'll see higher levels coming up. All right. So I hope this video has been helpful for you to understand how markets will be moving in the next few days. Trade well, stay safe, guys. Thank you.